Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve not installed on Picsart. To know how to fix or how to solve not installed on Picsart, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here we'll enter to the window of Picsart and you can click. After that, you will enter to first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors in your app. In the end, you can go to Play Store and you can update here. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.